behind the operation. And also, if you see the back of this, it's 6.38 inch. So with this way, you can also use this for the selfie and for the front camera, because in the back side we have no camera, only on this area. And also, when you open it like this way, it's 8 inch. The display ratio is 8 to 7.1. So it's really a fabric, a large screen. It really is a large screen. You can see it. So you can use this anyway. Either you fold it or you open it. So very conveniently. So really conveniently. You can, when you fold it, it's like the normal phone. It's really convenient. When you fold it, you can see that the screen is like a normal phone, right? But it's also larger screen. You can see compared with other. Even when you fold it, it's a larger screen, 6.6 inch. Yeah, compared with the other, is a small. The 4.6 inch is too small to use. Today, the most popular the smartphone screen size is over 6 inch. So too small is difficult to use. So if you want to be useful, it should have even when you fold it, it should be larger. And also when you open it, you can see the screen size is 8 inch. No cutoff of the screen. The full display, really full view display. So you can see that the full edge of this is the borderless. Yes, there's no punch. No notch at all. This is the borderless view I can bring to you. And also the power button and the fingerprint together on the side. It's very convenient to open that. The 2-in-1 design. And also more importantly is this falcon wing design. Our engineer, we are working on this for 3 years. We put so much resource and technology and people working on this hinge. This is the industry made the most sophisticated hinge in this world. We with this hinge, and we can achieve the really back-to-back fold. You can see that, so we hold it, no gap between that. You can see gap-free, no gap between this. How can we do that? It's really difficult. That's because on this, we have several layers on this screen, and under the screen, and also several layers. But if you belt it, you can see it's really difficult. You can see even the inside, that's the length is different. So how can we handle this? It's really difficult. That's why the other phones, they cannot fit together. But we can fit together. It's really difficult. How can we do that? We have a new innovation of hinge. We're proud of our patented hinge. Over 100 components inside. It's really sophisticated. That looks how it works. It's really complicated. It's really very complicated. It's not sophisticated. Our engineer working on this area for 3 years to solving these issues, to make it can belt it conveniently, and also to make it flat when you open it. So when you open it, you can see that the thickness is so thin. With our thickness, it's only 5.4 millimeters. You can feel how thin it is. It's even compared with the thinnest, the new iPad, we are thinner than them. Compared with the other foldable phones, their thickness is like a normal smartphone. When you fold it, it's like 2 phones together. But we just like one phone, one smartphone. So even when you fold it, when we fold it, it's less than 11 millimeters. Actually, this thickness is only 10.8, 10.9, like around that thickness. So the other is 17 millimeters. And also you have the gap between that. You can see that you cannot you fit this without our solution no gap. And also because it's so thin, it's so too difficult to put in a power jack in it. So that's we very smart design. We have the sidebar. We put the power jack Type-C jacket here. Because all the other side, the thickness is too thin to install any jacket. And also with this the technologies, we make this very convenient. Because with this sidebar, you can see we make it very convenient to take, very easy for your handhold. So natural. And also you can see that with this, I use this for time. So I feel I really love the experience. It's a large screen experience. It's totally different. When you're watching the web page, it's so bigger. And when you're reading, you can see that the experience is totally different. For my work, my email, so it's really convenient. So the photo album, any apps, when you're reading the information, the video, your YouTube, all the news and seeing you do anything. It looks like you are using the 10-inch tablet, the experience. But it's much lighter, the tablet. The tablet in your hand is heavy and big. So in this, you take a really good experience. And also we support the side-by-side, this browsing experience. It's very convenient. It's really convenient. You can see that. And also, we support with multitask. With the multitask on this, so it's convenient for you to do the multitask between the two task interaction. For example, if you send the email, send the files from your gallery, you can draw a photo, draw a video to your email. Very conveniently, like this kind of interaction. And also the selfie. The selfie, we can say that this phone, the Huawei Mate X, have the industry's best selfie. Why? Because we are using a rear camera for the front selfie. Because when you fold it, you can see that I see this will automatically go to this way. I take a selfie here. I think that's this can have the best quality. So it's really the very good quality. And also the take a photo, the experience is really amazing. When you take a photo, you choose this way, the large screen you're watching, the feeling is totally the amazing experience. And also this is amazing experience. That's when you take the selfie, you can let the other people see you. I take a photo of you, I can let you see me. I show you. Can you see that? I take a photo of you. Then I can show you there. Yeah, this is really convenient. You can see that. That's the benefit of dual screen. So that in this phone we only have one color nowadays, instead of blue. But in future we can consider to introducing more color for this. And also we invented a very smart cover for this protection. You can see that. With this cover, it's a very, very smart design. Give the good protection for this. You can use it this way, or you can open that and you make it using it like this way. So it's really convenient. So do you want to see more? I want to show you how it works. You can see that you can. Full protection case. Huawei Mate X, we also bring your future technology. The future technology today, the 5G is on. 5G is coming. 5G is on Mate X. The 5G is we are using the industry, the strongest modem. The Balong 5000 is the industry the first 7 nanometer multi-mode modem. And also it supports SA and NSA architecture. And also you have to achieve the super fast speed, the fastest, the modem. And you can support on sub 6 gigahertz band. The uplink, the downlink can up to 4.6. And running on the millimeter wave. Next thing we can support 6.5 gigabit downlink. And if we together with LTE, we can achieve the 7.5 gigabit. We combine the 5G and 4G, we can achieve the 7.5 gigabit super fast speed. It's the fastest modem in the world. It's not a PPT modem. It's a modem is already available. So the Kirin 980 and the Balloon 5000 working together on this phone, we can give the world's fastest 5G phone, smartphone. You know why the fastest? You know, even the antenna design on this, inside this, we have the quad antenna, 5G antenna inside. You know, this sidebar also makes the camera no bump, the flash no bump, no camera bump on this phone at all because of this sidebar. And we install a lot of technology inside this sidebar. So it's achieved really super fast speed for 4.6 gigabit maximum. It also can support a millimeter wave. And you can see the speed compared with other 5G. The speed is more than even doubled the speed. Doubled our 5G speed compared with the other 5G phones. How fast? You know, the 5G, we download 1 gigabyte movie in just 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1, then it's immediately downloaded. It's really, you can demo, you can try that. It's really super fast. And also, you know, the 5G is give you more privacy and security protection. Why? Because, you know, the 5G, they also give the encrypt permanent user ID, and also with the user data integrity protection you also can give. So it give you really the 5G is better for privacy and security and protection. And you know, today, the 5G, in the beginning, many carriers are using the NSA architecture. What's NSA? That means non-standalone architecture. It's working together with the 4G. But the future of the 5G, the network will be SA, the standalone architecture. But we're proud of the Mate X is the first phone which can support both. We not only can support the NSA architecture, but we also support the future's SA architecture. So this phone is not only for today's 5G, but also for future's 5G. With all the benchmark, you can see that the performance, the speed is the fastest 5G smartphone in the world. And also this can support the dual SIM card. With this dual SIM card, you can select any slot of that as working as a 5G. Another slot, you can add another SIM card, or you can use that for expandable memory, because we support the NM card, the nano memory storage card, for global connectivity, dual SIM. And you may to look at it's where we can install this, because it's too thin. But our engineer is really smart. He still can make it work here. The dual SIM card slot. It's so thin body. We even put inside this the dual SIM card inside. And also the large battery, dual battery inside this. You cannot believe in so thin body. We have 2 batteries inside. Each two part as one battery. So we have dual battery. 4,500 milliamp hour huge battery inside. It's a really long-lasting battery. And more importantly, we support the industry the fastest supercharge, 55 watt, unbelievable speed. You know, on Huawei Mate 20 Pro, we support 40 watt. It's already the industry, the fastest. fastest one. Today, we make it even faster. 55 watt is unbelievable fast. It's unbelievable fast. You can see this. Really, really fast. How fast? With this, you can achieve the really lightning speed charging. It's really fast. And make a comparison. You can see that within 30 seconds, you can charge 85% of this 4,500 milliampere battery. In 30 seconds, you can charge the battery around 3,825 milliampere. So you compare with other phones, in 30 seconds, they only can charge 540 milliampere hour. So you can see that compared with the other phones, the inbox charger will achieve the 600% faster. You can use really lightning, super fast charging. You know that's you guess that it's super fast the charger I bring to you. Have a look. It's you can see this is our smartphone charger. Typically, you can use the Type-C, the PC charger can charge your smartphone, but you never can use your smartphone charger to charge your PC. But this, you can use this to charge your PC. You can not only can charge your Huawei Mate X, you also can charge other PC, like the Apples and all the others, which support the Type-C. Maximum 65 watts. So it's really the new technology, super fast. So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the Huawei Mate X, the world's fastest 5G, foldable 5G phone, but also it's the world's slimmest foldable phone, and also support the world's fastest 5G network, and also support the super fast charging. Thank you.